With rising healthcare costs, every Indian deserves a strong safety net. That's where Arogya Pragati Plus Top-Up Reinvented steps in. This is a super top-up product. Welcome to the e-learning module for Arogya Pragati Plus Top-Up Reinvented policy. Designed to cover flexibility, higher sum insured options, and added benefits. Today, with the soaring medical costs, there is a need for a super top-up product that matches modern healthcare realities. For a threshold limit from 5 to 15 lakhs, sum insured from 1 to 50 lakhs is available, and for a threshold limit from 16 to 50 lakhs, sum insured from 5 to 50 lakhs is available. The sum insured is in multiples of 1 lakh rupees. The insured can choose a sum insured maximum of up to 4 times the threshold, subject to maximum up to 50 lakh rupees. For example, if a person selects threshold of 5 lakhs rupees, he can opt for Arogya Pragati Plus top-up sum insured from 1 lakh rupees to 20 lakhs rupees. The New India Arogya Pragati Plus is available in 2 well-structured variants of Gold and Platinum catering to diverse healthcare needs and budgets. Room rent, Gold plan, 1% of sum insured up to Rs 15,000. Platinum plan, single AC room. ICU charges. Gold, 2% of sum insured up to Rs 25,000. Platinum, covered at actuals. Pre-hospitalization, 30 days in Gold, 60 days in Platinum. Post-hospitalization, 60 days in Gold, 90 days in Platinum. Cataract surgery, up to Rs 50,000 per eye. Platinum, up to Rs 1 lakh per eye. Modern treatments. Gold, coverage with sublimits. Platinum, up to 100% of sum insured. Second medical opinion. Up to Rs 2,500 in Gold and up to 5,000 in Platinum. Road ambulance, actuals in both. Air ambulance, not covered in Gold, covered once per year in Platinum. Non-medical consumables, not covered in Gold. Up to Rs 25,000 in Platinum. Optional add-ons include critical care, if during the policy period, any insured person is diagnosed with of any of the listed 18 critical illnesses, like cancer of specified severity, kidney failure, end-stage liver failure, for the first time, lump sum amount of 5 lakhs rupees will be paid in Gold, and up to 7.5 lakhs rupees will be paid in Platinum plan. This will be paid once in a lifetime of the insured regardless of the number of critical illness suffered. Personal accident cover. In case of death or permanent total disablement, due to accident, the insured will get 50% of sum insured in Gold and Platinum plan. For permanent partial disablement, the insured will get specified percent of sum insured as per policy clause. This benefit shall be paid even if the threshold under the policy is not reached. The New India Arogya Pragati Plus can be taken by individuals, families, and even employers for their employees under group. Policy can be issued on an individual or floater sum insured basis. Arogya Pragati Plus policy can be taken by those with base policy of New India Assurance Company Limited or any other company, or with no base policy. The proposer has to select a threshold limit and the sum insured. The entry age for this policy is 18 years to 65 years for adults and from 91 days to 25 years for dependent children. Pre-medical checkup is not required up to 55 years of age, if there is no case of pre-existing disease or adverse health conditions. Policy period of 1, 2 or 3 years can be taken. Long-term protection, convenience of choice, and complete peace of mind. Arogya Pragati Plus offers it all. Multiple discount slabs make this product more attractive. Maximum discount can go up to 27% for 4 members in a 3-year long-term policy with loyalty discount. A hassle-free process makes the policy more appealing for first-time health insurance buyers. Super top-up policy means, once the threshold is breached, every subsequent claim in the policy will become payable during the policy period subject to sum insured selected. It is not required that threshold should be breached for each and every claim. For example, sum insured is 20 lakh rupees and the threshold is 5 lakhs rupees. For the first claim of 7 lakh rupees, 2 lakhs rupees will be covered in this policy. For the second claim of 4 lakh rupees, during the same policy period, 4 lakh rupees will be covered in this policy. Arogya Pragati Plus is a powerful offering. It fills the protection gap for all categories of customers seeking extended coverage over their base policy. New India Arogya Pragati Plus is the best policy for those who already have existing Mediclaim policies and are seeking enhanced coverage. That's where a super top-up policy fits best. This policy can also be offered to individuals covered under another company's health policy, employee benefits, or even those without any base policy, self-insured. Empowering every Indian with the health cover they truly deserve. To know more, visit www.newindia.co.in or call 1800-091-415 or WhatsApp on 9833319191.